Hey, what's up, friends? Hope you're doing good. I have some exciting news to share with you. For the first time ever, I'm partnering with Victory to bring a never seen before tool and technology on JVZoo. Yes, guys, we are bringing to you Augment Suite on September 30th, which will help your customers sell products and services like never before using the power of augmented reality. We have definitely seen a lot of products in the virtual reality space, but augmented reality is one step further and it's extremely useful for local businesses and e-commerce to sell their services and products. Augmented reality is proven to increase conversions like none other. The objects that you want to sell come inside your customer's real world using augmented reality as opposed to being immersed in a virtual reality. I must say that big brands have already seen the power of augmented reality and have started using them effectively in their businesses, and it is picking up like wildfire. Imagine being able to view the furniture that you want to buy right inside your house, and where you want to place it, and exactly if it's going to work well with your interiors. Imagine being able to see yourself in the hat that you've been eyeing for long before you actually buy it. All this without even going to the store, without even touching the actual product. Simply by tapping a few buttons on your smartphone, I personally believe augmented reality is going to take over the way we market things today. Customers don't have to visit showrooms. Instead, product goes to their home virtually. Massive savings on rentals, especially in trying times like now. No need of social distancing. People can try products without even touching them. Perfect for the new world we live in. Buyers can take informed decisions, which means you're going to have lesser returns. It's going to take online shopping to a next level as customer get the in-store experience, which is even better. So what exactly can you create with Augment Suite? Experience campaigns, especially useful for local businesses. Put it in a gym with a QR code, which is going to lead the customers through a series of exercises that they can perform, or QR code and packaging so that you can educate your customers about the product or how to use the product that they already have in hand. Responsive spatial try-on AR campaigns. You bring any object in the space around you. It can be furniture, toy, appliance, or even electronic. Bring it to your space, see how well it fits, and then make an informed purchase decision. Responsive virtual try-on AR campaigns. This is trying the objects around yourself without even having to touch it. Try on the shoes or makeup to see how good it looks on you before actually buying it. Augmented reality is notching up the marketing experience for the customers and slowly moving towards a world where people prefer brands that have AR experience over the brands that don't. Here lies the massive opportunity for your customers to take advantage as an agency helping online businesses set up augmented reality campaigns for the products or services, and we made it so simple that anybody can set it up with no technical or programming skills. Simply choose the type of campaign, upload your images, fill in a couple of basic details, publish the campaigns, and explore your conversions. I see Augment Suite working well to sell physical products as well as services. We have a proven to convert funnel that's going to drive massive commissions your way. We're also going to offer a special bundle deal which your customers are going to love. Plus, $10,000 in guaranteed prices and a huge opening contest. Guys, this is going to be huge. A first to market technology is going to be a commission mission for you. You've already seen that happen multiple times in JVZoo. We're also going to be running a lot of private webinars. We're going to sell the bundle deal for you to your customers. Just, if you can put up 50 to 60 people on a live webinar, don't worry about it. We'll do all the selling for you. You don't even have to be on. Reaching out to all of you with access and all the other details. For now, guys, make sure you mark your calendars, 30th of September, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We cannot wait to bring this to your customers. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much.